my channel. Welcome to another powerful edition of my tutorial. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you are going to make passive income from Google without doing anything. Just you are going to copy and paste in a particular place, and you are going to be paid massively for doing so. But before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that immediately when I upload another new videos, YouTube will notify you. And if you are a returning subscriber, do me a favor by subscribing to by sharing the videos and commenting under the video section, under the comment section. So let us get started. As I said earlier, I will be taking you through the process whereby you are going to be making passive money for copying and pasting a particular item. So the website we will be talking about tonight is the one I call ref.com. Ref.com is a platform that pays you for different three things. The first one is what the transcription, and the second one is captioning, and the third one is foreign subtitles. But today I'm going to be talking about transcription. So in transcription, they will give you a video or audio. It may be video or audio, so you need to transcribe the audio into words. That is, you are going to, whatsoever you listen to the transcription, and you are going to write it in form of word. So we are going to write it in form of word. So let us see. It is a legit platform, and they have been paying thousands of people. You can see transcription. You get $1.25 $1.25 per minute. $1.25 per minute. That is, if you are using close to 1 hour, that is, you will be getting close to $90 or $100 per hour. $100 per hour. Now, assuming you are using 3 hours a day on this place, you are going to be earning nothing less than $180 or $200. Spending 3 hours, you can see it's pretty nice. That is hours. You receive accurate transcription in 12 hours for most file 30 minutes. That is, when the file is 30 minutes, they are going to use around 12 hours to verify it. And they have close to 5,000 native English speaking professional subscribers that are working 24 hours. You will surely get work from this place. Automatically they are going to give you work. You don't need to be posting order or anything. So automatically they are going to give you work. You can see. Receive transcription in 5 minutes for most files. Review and edit the transcription with our web-based editing tools. They will give you everything you need. Yours is just to be available to carry out the work. Now you'll be thinking, how will you do this? What if I don't have time? So that's why I'm going to be showing you a software that will help you in doing everything without writing anything. The software will help you out in doing everything. So, but before we get started, I show you the software, you need to watch the video step by step. I'm still going to show you another website that offer the same services. So I call it 3Play Media. 3Play Media. I said you may know us as a captioning solution, but do so much. That is, we do more than that. They transcribe. You can see audio description, to transcribe, to translate. But the one we'll be talking about is the transcription aspect of it. So you come to this platform, you sign up as a transcriber. Maybe you sign up, you can see close transcriber and translation. Immediately you sign up as a transcriber. When they have any job related to transcription, they give it to you. You transcribe and you'll be paid for transcribing the work for them. So you'll be paid. It is a legit platform. Legit platform. You can see them. We have YouTube, we have Zoom, we have a lot of them. We have Canva that have been using them and they trust them. You trust them. So which platform are you going to be using to carry out the work without stressing yourself? It's what I call Google Translator. Google Translator. Use it. Google Translator. Now, so the first thing you need to do is to set the language. Assuming the language you are being given is English and you have to transcribe it to English slowly. You click on English to English, English to English. The first language is English to English. So, and if it is Spanish, you click on Spanish. It will be Spanish, and they will also want you to transcribe it, translate it to English. You just click here, translate to English. But if it is English only, just click here, English only. Now, there is a speaker here, little icon. That is, they said translate by voice. You can see. You just click on it. You see now that whatever I'm saying, this thing will be writing it. You can click it. Hello. Hello. Just wait for the network. You see, he said we are having trouble something. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hello, good morning. You can see. How are you doing? Hope you are doing fine. How was your health? Did you go to school today? I didn't go to school today. How are your parents? Hope you are feeling better. You can see that whatever I'm saying, this platform, you can see it is writing it down. All that I'm saying, all I'm saying is writing it down. So that's how it's going to be transcribing any voice that you put there. It's going to be transcribing all the voice. All the voice. It's going to be transcribing all the voice that you put in. All the voice. So it's very pretty easy. So it's going to transcribe the voice for you easily without problem. It's going to transcribe it for you easily without any stress. You can see how it's displaying it. So if you have thousands or 10 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatsoever the minutes that you have, immediately you just bring it to this platform and you play it. Automatically it's going to be transcribing it for you free of charge. So when you are just through with it, you just come here. You can just change it to English. When you change it to English, you can see, you just come here and you copy it. When you copy it, you paste it inside a Word document and you submit it to this platform. Then you will get paid for doing this. You will be get paid for doing this. Remember the first step. The first step is what? You sign up with Ref Translation Company. When you sign up with them, they give you work to do. And then another site that you can use is 3Play Media. 3Play Media too is a translation website. So when you sign up with them, when they give you work, so any work you are being given, you bring it to the Google Translator here. So you turn on the mic, the small mic here. Immediately you turn on the small mic here, you continue to write down whatsoever the voice that the translation is producing. So you continue to write it down. So and after completing it, you just come here, click on copy and paste it inside a Word document or whatever the document you are required to submit the work. So and you will get paid for doing so. So I believe you have gained something from this tutorial, and if you have any question, just drop your question under the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. And if you have gained something from this tutorial too, kindly subscribe to my channel, share the videos, and also drop a comment. Remember, I said this week I'm going to be talking about JVSO, affiliate marketing, how you can run affiliate marketing on JVSO. So you don't need to miss this. Subscribe to my channel so that when I update the new videos, you will get notified. YouTube will notify you, and you will be able to watch the video and put it into practice. So thank you once again for watching this video.